Where did my camera go again? It's, um, what is this? Why can I select? Why can I select my microphone inside of my camera selection? Well, obviously that's how it works, right? So this should work, but it doesn't. Hmm, annoying. And rather unfortunate. I tested it. I tested it before the stream. It worked. And encoding is also overloaded for some reason. So yeah, right. OBS crashed. OBS did crash before the stream. Also, Penguin Operator, you are in GameNoob's chat, right? Can you say hi from me? Okay, so let's figure this out. It worked. Listen, it worked before the stream. Maybe I restart. Device. Oh no. Okay, that's a bad thing. Linux list processes using a file. Fortunately, we're on Linux. We can probably figure it out. And yeah, this is probably gonna be the last Gentoo stream, at least for now. Because like I wanted to do the stream. Um, what is LSO? So yeah, I wanted to do a proper Gentoo stream. As you can see, it doesn't quite work. But I have fixed most issues, and also I'm experimenting with GStreamer. So that's the thing. Microsoft, no. Give me a proper. I mean, I guess I need LSO, right? Yeah, emerge. So, so LSO. So yeah, well, I guess that's where OBS crashed, and so it's still using that camera device. I don't know why it crashed. It just crashed. It started the streams. It connected to the RTMP, and it crashed. Okay, so experiment. Redeemed it something. Oh, and bitrate is unstable. What did it say? Poor network connection detected. Oh no. I don't need network problems on top of it. Um, Although to be clear, I am on Wi-Fi. OBS reports everything is fine, so Twitch is probably just outdated information. Experimental encoder did not in fact work, which is fine. I have the encoder that was working before that I tested on like other systems, so it should be fine now. Now the camera, I killed all OBS processes. Why does and you can see here like it says phone camera one. Why does not work? Mm, installation failed. The other device resource busy. Okay. Uh, am I in video group? Was that the case for the first time you redeemed first? So yeah, as you can see, I killed OBS. So ls off. Ls off installed. How do you use ls off? Um, ls off. If what is this? Comma separated. Okay, so apparently you cannot pass long options to ls off. Um, how do you use ls off? Usage. Something names. Hmm. Okay, so I want dev video 0 or video 1 in fact. Okay, so OBS. and video 1 is not used by anything. Twitch is still says bitrate is unstable, but I guess that's just Twitch not being refreshed. Because the bitrate thing does not update for some reason. Although it should. I really want to get my camera working again. It's like I tested it. It's just that I tested it before stream, everything worked fine. As soon as I started the stream, it broke. Okay, so OBS is using it. Can I take it away from OBS without terminating OBS? Linux take PID or take file away from process without terminating it. I feel like that is a bad idea, but still. 6K. Oh, we're back to 6K. Oh, that's why Twitch saying is too high. Penguin is still fine. Yeah, so apparently I forgot to change it to 5K in this encoder. And it's not gonna change because we're live already. So it's just Twitch cannot handle it. Average stream bitrate too high. Do I restart again? And I might if I try figuring out the camera. Okay, so there's nothing but fun. I don't want to exit. I don't care about detaching it from terminal. Take file descriptor away. Sounds weird. Attach with GDB and take it. Oh. Well, that's a way, I guess. Process PID FD. I don't think I can do this. I guess I can. I can try. GDB-P. Okay, what? That is funny though. GDB. I do not have GDB, obviously. Merge. Do we do bin package for this one? Maybe it's worth it. GDB. Now let's try source first. Shouldn't be that 20 megs of source code. Okay, maybe it's gonna be a bit. Using Python to build. It shouldn't take that much, right? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't show a libtool link. It doesn't show the progress, so I'd assume it's gonna be pretty quick. Because we're building like libtool, libbacktrace. I don't know about libbacktrace, to be honest. Making, leaving, entering, leaving, entering. Please tell me if the stream is fine. To be clear, this was supposed to, why rewrite? Because rewrite driven development. Wait, did we get back to 5K? Twitch is fine with 6K bitrate. Twitch decided, no, I'm good. Huh? You just said the bitrate was too high. It didn't change. I did change it, but it didn't apply. So yeah, rewrite because so yeah, I guess I should explain. What was the reason? Right, it felt wrong, and so I decided to change it. We're gonna be changing it to be more of data approach. So there's gonna be more states. There's gonna be more structs, which you put data in instead of calling functions to put data in, basically. So the idea is now the front end is gonna be constructing data, constructing some objects in memory, then sending those objects to the backend, and then the backend is gonna be actually working on those objects. Before it was we had the front end call backend functions via a vtable or something. I mean, it's not necessarily a vtable, although I did make it vtable compatible, or didn't compatible with Rustation, I guess. Or in legacy terms, object safe. Okay, so GDB is building for a while. Do I really want to liblto plugin? Okay, maybe no, maybe 20 megabytes of source code after all is a bit get bin package. So it's probably gonna take a while to do. Now instead let's use a bin package real quick to try take away webcam descriptor from OBS, which like as soon as I start OBS, it does take the webcam descriptor and webcam starts being active. It's just that, oh, wait, I see it. Look, hey, why? Why is it here? And not where it's supposed to be? So on this thing, the webcam is supposed to be large, huh? I mean, I'm gonna do this. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And then on the main scene, I guess I know what, yeah, okay, I'm just dumb. And on this scene, I just add existing, and here I move it where it's supposed to be, make it smaller. Does this look good? Yeah, so no need for GDB, I guess. Yeah, no need for GDB. So does this look good? Does it look better? Rewrite driven development, exactly. Why does YouTube keep translating it? Okay, let me just fix this issue again. YouTube.com. I wanna disable translations for chat because chat is automatically translating on my end. Although the way I'm gonna do this is just to switch interface language to English, which it's supposed to be, but it doesn't save for some reason. English. Let's try Indian version. Why not? I don't think it matters. Okay, now it doesn't translate. So like before it used to translate the messages for some reason. Like that's the default. Also, I should be careful with clicking because left click immediately pops up a menu. Fortunately now ban is not the first option in the menu. YouTube realized the mistake. So yeah. Right, and also Twitch. So I have questions towards YouTube, and I now have questions towards Twitch as well. Maybe I should make my camera bigger. So Twitch, why is my affiliate anniversary skipped and I am not able to undo the skip? I was curious why it didn't show it. Why? Twitch. Like, I mean, I can disable it. If I disable it, it's probably gonna break, no. So like, yeah, it's July 28th, which I haven't streamed on that day, which is unfortunate. But it should have been fine. And like, why? Why can't I undo the skip? It's 360 days left to undo the skip. I'm not supposed to keep it. I have never clicked that button. So yeah, I guess to celebrate affiliate anniversary and apparently stream anniversary as well is coming soon. I don't know what that is, but I assume it's streams. Um, I assume that's when I started streaming, which apparently was recent. I mean, like about the same time I had a penis. What is subscriptions? That's not where I wanted to go. No. By the way, check out the pages. I worked hard on them. Wait, we've got those unlocked. Gosh, what do I do for them? So the brackets are for tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And the character in the middle is a dot for 1 month, colon for 2 months, bank for 3 months, question mark for 4 months, colon for 9 months, semicolon, golden semicolon for 1 year. That's, by the way, that's somewhat of a reference to um, comma and semicolon commands or teams, football teams we have played against. So yeah, I don't. I have no idea what I would put here, but I guess I don't really need to worry about that. Right. I forgot that I designed all of this. It was fun, to be honest. I do like the design. I do really like the designs I made. Um, so what is this? Yeah, there's not this thing. Uh, Add free viewing, ignore. Yeah, no. Okay, so there is. Oh, this thing. I have a few hours. Oh, I have it maxed out. Wait, I have it maxed out. Um, so why not add a promotion and let it last? So what? 28 hours? Assuming I stream tomorrow. Because I have like a lot of hours remaining, and they are accumulating, so I probably should waste it. So now we have promotion discounts, or I guess sub discounts, which, to be honest, is kind of useless because it's like 5 subs. So like 5 or more tier 1 gifted subs are 35% off. But yeah, anyway, since I have that, might as well like use it. I'm still not happy with my camera. Is this good size? Are those good dimensions? Also, do I have? I have color range set to full, which is an interesting change, and I think that's it. So yeah. Now let's add on some music. Mm, I probably wanna add some music to the background of the stream. Need to be which say TMCA free streaming music. Yeah, that's how professional streamers find music for their background. So yeah, and the overlay is also not there. Which, yeah, I still need to install Godot. I could, but like again, this is probably the last Gentoo stream for a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna stream with Gentoo again, but I do wanna keep Gentoo alive, and I do wanna experiment with it a bit. So yeah, royalty-free Blow music. Gosh, all of those. I have tried all DMCA free music playlists, didn't I? Apparently. You know what? I should probably cut this out and open it in the second profile. To not clutter. So like, I open YouTube on my phone and it's gonna be like Twitch safe music. Okay, so I mean, I guess I did go through all of them anyway. Um, uh, I mean, this one should be fine, right? Can you hear it? Yeah. I just had my audio mute. Okay. Okay, so this should be fine, right? Gosh, anyone in chat, please tell me. That's the last thing I ask from you. If the stream is fine and if the music is fine. So MalDev. Yeah, I don't have Dioxide here, but I have pretty much most of my other tools. Tools. Actually, never mind. I don't have lazy git. Git status. Git add dot. Wait, what do I have in here? That's not. What? Status. Why does git diff show nothing? Maybe I do have lazy git. No, no. Sudo emerge. Let's get lazy git, because why not? It's gonna be useful, right? Would you like to install? Yeah. Also, I always typed yes with capital Y. I don't know why it didn't work this time. Shift wasn't in time. I kind of want to learn to play guitar. Or at least a ukulele. But yeah, I have neither. Although I multiple times I thought about getting a guitar or a ukulele. But I just didn't end up getting either. I still might at some point. Especially if I learn to play one of those. But obviously learning to play something before getting it is difficult. Still wanna try them. Might ask some of my friends. I mean, I already asked some of my friends. Super pretty hot in here. So yeah, come on. Is lazy bit so source compile? Okay, so we were building from source. Whatever. Oh, 404 not found. Oh, that explains it. And yeah, so we downloaded the source code. Sure, I guess. Oh, and we built it from Guru as well, which is Gentoo user repository. I don't know what last U stands for. But yeah, anyway, lazy git. Lazy git. Yeah, now I can see stuff. So what were the last changes? Some restructuring. I wanted to commit changes because I wanted to create a branch. New branch. So what do we call it? Oh, came back. 1080p. No chat overlay. Yeah. This is still a Gentoo stream. This is the last Gentoo stream. I wanna try to actually do a proper stream on Gentoo without issues and like actually play Minecraft. But this is a 6K bits, 6 megabits per second bitrate, which Twitch Twitch said it's too much, but now Twitch saying it's fine. And yeah, only 1080p. You want more? Well, I wish I could give you more. And I am also. Oh wait, we don't have qualities. Wait. Oh, that's bad. Oh, I know why. Oh, that's bad. I don't know. I could restart Twitch stream, to be honest. Might as well. Because it should be. It is probably because bitrate. And also encoding overloaded, apparently. So let me restart for a moment. Yeah. Hold on. YouTube shouldn't have felt this. Twitch should have felt this. I mean, YouTube probably saw a loading buffering thingy. Which should be back live, although we will have another ad. That's a problem. But it's not a problem if nobody's watching. So this, yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go. We have qualities now fixed. I know why it happens even. Well, why is bitrate still too high? Oh, it's just that Twitch thing is not updated. So yeah. Fix that. Now I gotta refresh the page. Oh wait, no, it did. It is still, huh? Okay, so it's clearly we clearly have qualities. Oh, horizontal is offline. Session is 20. Why? Huh. But I mean, the stream clearly works in here, right? Right? Let's refresh. I'm gonna do this. Also, I should probably do this. Offline is like having -2 subs. Hey, I have -1 sub. Stop buggy. Oh, we are offline. Huh. It's saying... Penguin operator, am I actually offline? Why does it say I am offline, yet show me my stream? And say, so bitrate is fine now. Anyway, negative. Yeah, look, Covino also has negative subs. Or I guess Freedom Forge Studios account has negative subs. He has -16 subs. Or -17. I'm online. Well, no, it's saying I'm offline. Look, horizontal offline, session 0. Also 1 subscriber, that's why -1 out of 2. So yeah, this is the thing. I mean, I guess Twitch UI just doesn't update. I don't want to refresh it. Well, I can see myself. Anyway, so the stream is fine, right? The stream is fine, the music's fine, right? Tell me if something's wrong, please. Okay, yeah, it's still saying I'm offline. Whatever. This is so weird. By the way, does this mean I'm not gonna get ads? Wait. No, the ad timer is still ticking. Oh well. I wonder if it's showing ads when I'm offline. Also, I should probably... Actually, it was fine. So yeah. Apparently I'm offline. Filter. Why is there a dot everywhere? Sounds. Oh. Wait. Is filter... Wait, filter... Twitch alert controls. Do not disturb. How does this work? Is filter for it being off or for it being on? I don't know. I mean, I guess if you redeem something, I will see or rather hear it. Ad is about to start. The stream is offline. Ad is about to start. Also, why is ad about to start when pre-rolls are like 37 minutes off? It is not supposed to be starting now. Oh, the stream restarted. Would you look at that? Yeah, it got signed as online. I am online now, apparently, Twitch realizes. Anyway, so data rewrite. Data IR. I'm gonna call it data IR. The data IR branch. Still no overlay? Yeah. Okay, if you want overlay, sure. Sudo emerge. Then just ask Godot. I am gonna have I am gonna upgrade my overlay. I've already begun research on what libraries to use to make it easier. So yeah, let's build Godot from source if you want the overlay so badly. It's gonna be building in the background. Oh wait, it's not gonna be building in the background because I need the package use files. Sudo hx etc port that's, yeah, I know. You're not missing much, don't worry. But also, for some reason, would you like to add these changes to your config files? Doesn't work. But oh well. Had to do it manually. No, we're gonna be building 8 packages. We're gonna be building Godot from source. Yeah. Hopefully it's not gonna be too much on my CPU. So yeah, I think 5K bitrate is probably the best, right? For my CPU and for Twitch. Drop frames 0. Recording inactive. Average time to render frame not ideal. Oh, frames are taking a hit a little bit, but I mean, yeah, no, it's fine. We are also gonna play Minecraft today, or rather, I wanna start Minecraft to see the performance. But yeah, anyway. After all, this is the compilers. So let's open up Helix. Let's open up Oracle lib, and let's nuke this whole thing. Yeah, absolutely. Wait, not like that. Oh, caps lock. Right. Maybe I should set up Canada on Gentoo. I don't know. I wanna merge Gentoo. Yeah, I am on Gentoo. Oh right, you're a net break. You're a net. I'll wait. I'll wait. I really wanna learn guitar. There are so many great songs. It's like I have seen guitar played in real life, by the way. It wasn't my graduation, for example. I'll never forget this day. Or multiple days. I guess a month of emotions. Right. Whoa. What is this sound? Twitch. Yeah, so that's no overlay, but that's not an overlay, that's Twitch's built-in sounds which exist. So yeah, Penguin Operator, yes, Gentoo. I said this is gonna be the last Gentoo stream, but this is gonna be the proper Gentoo stream, because like I fixed everything. I fixed hardware encoding, I fixed video capturing, or screen capturing, I fixed webcam, as you can see. And yeah, so I just wanted to see how well it's gonna run. And I want to see how Minecraft runs as well. If you want overlay, we're compiling Godot from source, because you asked. But yeah, so code. Wait, you redeemed third, you redeemed first like 3 times today. Is that cheating? Every time I do a Gentoo stream, Bashstack just gets multiple first redeems from me. Where are we? We are below Rinks. Oh my god, Rinks is so far ahead. Guys, please, we need to get up. Oh, by the way, Penguin Operator, you're leading on points. You in second place. So the lead in front of third place is big. Obviously Nigel is just through the roof, because he's there on like every single stream for years, since I added the thing even. Well, can't redeem first. Well, you did redeem first apparently. So yeah, now anyway, so Cogent, yeah, I guess I'm gonna. Alright, caps lock doesn't work. I miss caps lock being used as control. This is such a use. This is probably the best thing I have done to me, to my keyboard, or I guess to my configs. I mean, that's the only thing I've done to my keyboard really. my keyboard layout. I mean, I guess WinSpace as well. Switch from Shift Alt to WinSpace. Anyway, type of variable constant. Sure. Generic parameter. So, yeah, a type. A type is an enum. It's still gonna be an enum. Oh right, Rust Analyzer doesn't exist. Rust up component add Rust Analyzer. Gonna be useful, right? Install. This was quick. Oh. Okay, maybe Gentoo is nice. I really like Gentoo's ability to compile stuff from source and like minimalism somewhat. Ooh, that's gonna take a bit of time. But we are compiling what? libsdl3. So yeah, I like Gentoo's minimalism and ability to compile everything and use Flux as well, although I haven't used them as much. Fun. But yeah, I like use Flux, but I really miss Nix's cleaning ability to organize things. That's what I meant, really. So like, you have a Nix file, you have a Nix config file, where you write all your dependencies, all your packages as code. And also you can write environment variables there too, which is nice and useful, I guess. So yeah, we are compiling. I can feel compilation because fans are spinning. And also it's crazy hot. I mean, it's not crazy, but like, it's hot to the point where it's annoying. So yeah, we have an enum. What integer size? Integer size can fit in 16 bits. Also, why do I have 16 bits? Is 120 bits are not enough. I'm ready for 256 bit types. Yeah, right. I mean, I guess. In fact, I'm ready for a type that's 62 kilobits or 64 kilobits, in fact, which is what, 8 kilobytes. Imagine single integer taking 8 kilobytes. Actually, no, I'm not ready. I'm ready for 4 kilobytes, for 4.9 kilobytes, but not for for 7.9 kilobytes, I guess, but not for 8. So yeah, integers, I sure hope it's gonna be flattened. I sure hope the enum is gonna be like flattened and it's gonna just be tech plus u16. So now I'm gonna redo this. I'm gonna restructure this. So we'll have our. This is code. We're not gonna touch coding for now, except for removing it. Also Yazi. Yeah, Yazi. I have installed Yazi because I really needed it, except that I haven't had time to use it. Oh my god, what? Why? Why is every icon is a Chinese character? I just installed Chinese font, which is funny. I mean, I guess what's on my font that do? I think I installed. I have installed Nerd fonts. I have installed Nerd fonts. I have also installed. What's my font set to? There's no font setting, huh? So pick a seed list. So I have installed JetBrains Mono. Oh right, I haven't used JetBrains Mono before. But I also have installed like so Nerd fonts apparently come separately. Alright, I have Blogger Sans in my home. Oh, it picks up stuff from my home directory. That's useful. So Liberation. I mean, nerd fonts, right? Nerd fonts somewhere there. Arfic fonts, so that Chinese characters look like Chinese characters at least. Although I feel like that was a bit expensive. So what do we have here? Symbols nerd font. The symbols nerd font. So set font family. Fonts, font size, worth LTR. What's LTR? My directional text, RTL scripture, displayed in RTL. Symbol map, narrow symbols. No, I just want to set two fonts. Modify font. Font features. Dude, how do I set the font? It should be somewhere at the top, no? Oh, there it is. Font family. I mean, I'd assume font family. Read the font specification syntax. Font family, family equals. PostScript name. Family equals variable name features. How does this work? How do I stack multiple fonts in Kitty? Let me see. Kitty use multiple TTF to like cover characters that are not that. No, I mean, to cover like nerd fonts specifically. Kitty and nerd fonts, bringing Egyptian hieroglyphs to your terminal. Kitty list fonts. Oh wait, there is a command for that? Oh, there is. Well, so I wanted to JetBrains Mono, which NL, I guess NL version. Oh, this one is ligatures. Oh, sure, the ligature version then. That's what it means. Okay, good. Press enter to select it. Enter to modify. Yeah. And now I wanna add this font as a backup or something. So if I open Yazi again, I mean it's still using Egyptian. It's still using not Egyptian. It's still using hieroglyphs, which should probably check chat more often. Okay, font config. If you have a budget to invest in a programming fonts are paid. I mean, fair, I guess. Okay, so scan stuff of Zcash. Power line, power level. Symbol map. The stylized V from Vim Div Icons, which show up as a very rarely used Chinese character. The way to get every symbol you want to patch nerd fonts? Yeah, but I don't really have that. Font shop is actually not to use patch fonts. There's a symbol map function. Okay, so it's rendering lag now. No, it's encoding lag. Okay, so encoder is overloaded, which is my GPU. I think. I don't know though. Okay, so stop that. Okay, so symbols nerd font. I installed it. FC cache. Now font family and then symbol map for. So I'm just gonna steal from this website, which by the way might as well link. Relax, no, not. Yeah, I noticed. It's not just the stream, it's my laptop lagging. Wait. But now it's fine. Okay, so from this guy we're gonna steal our symbols. So it is symbols nerd font, right? Oh, it's symbols nerd font mono. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna just steal the entirety of the config. So there's a helix command. Wait, ktconf. So we have maps. We have begin kitty fonts and kitty fonts, and then non-kitty fonts. How do you refresh config? Control Shift F5, I think. Yeah, Z. No, still shows up as Chinese. I mean, I have the full one, or do I? Maybe I should set instead of this, I should do the mono version. Yeah, we are visiting all possible side tangents. Obviously, I'm looking for the longest path to the destination. If we're ever gonna get there. Okay, so let's try the mono version. I'm just gonna do this, yeah. Or CD /MT dev Oracle, tools Oracle. Cool. It's like weird that some of the icons work and some pull back. Maybe I haven't downloaded the full version. Symbols nerd font complete. Gentle nerd fonts. I have no idea how. Actually, no, I have an idea how I did it on Express. I have used patched font. Symbols nerd font. I mean, I guess I could steal the full version. Package, you can find it at nerd fonts. Okay, so let's just download the complete one. Oh, it's on GitHub, huh? But patience. Symbols 2.8 EM. So it's SRC glyphs. SRC glyphs. Oh, those are separate. I can set table below. Where did I get the entirety? So like I need the. I mean, I don't know how complete it is. It might just be that my font is missing symbols. It might just be that it's wrong order. Hey Nigel, welcome in. Visiting all the possible side tangents. Of course. How did I end up here? Where am I? Symbols to 248 nerd font. Okay, sure. Wait, no, what am I downloading? I'm not downloading anything, huh? Give me the font. What's wrong with this website? Okay, so here we have the font. I guess let's go to downloads. I mean, downloads have most of icons. It's just like a few are missing. And oh my god, there's a lot of stuff here. Probably nuke some directories. Okay. Yeah, right. I have started the Minecraft server recently. This we don't talk about. I mean, actually, I might show this. This is a pretty cool thing. HS, right, top completion doesn't work. 24 minutes later, not more than that. Yeah, definitely. Oh, wait. Oh, right. Yazzie doesn't go to. Yazzie doesn't do that on its own. Sudo. So this is the thing I made, which installs Alpine first of all. Yeah, and then it's. Oh, it fails to install packages. Hold on. It installs packages, and then you are in a Linux environment. Your path has been cleared, and there's like a little bit of an interactive game where you're supposed to like do stuff. So if I do bean as being user as being, so if I like do that and rm/run task 1.log, then it's gonna switch to task 2. Add a USB drive by go to media, USB, remove the file here, plugs in hardware. You now must mount /dev/sda2, which if we take a look at dev, yeah. So SDA1 doesn't exist. Don't worry about that. SDA2 does, which is what you're supposed to worry about. And now in /mnt we have vim linux, which oh right, file doesn't exist. Well, we don't talk about that. It's 31 byte. But if you copy that to boot, then like let's change the host name, and there's like a few other challenges here. But yeah, so that's the lab. multi-RTMP, I'm gonna get rid of plugins. That's that. That we don't talk about either. So this is the world I was working on. This is a skin I was stealing from. This is an empty file. Can seem to make TypeScript native 790 will less work. I mean, it's gonna be fixed, right? Oh, distro family tree. Of course. You probably know what this picture has. I can't really open it. EULA, I definitely agreed to EULA. I definitely read it. Oh, it tries to open the thing in Fireball. Oh well. Another skin to steal from. A list of config files you need to change to make your GUI thing look consistent. Yeah, I was supposed to make a program that does this for you. Now, what is it? Gentoo installer, more plugins, a bomb list of like microcontroller and chips and stuff. Sample video I used for encoding testing. Here's the nerd font. Now, 2T2 ISOs. Actually, I'm gonna keep one test file to see the icon. Right, failed to start 7-zip. Yep. Unzip. Enable. Also rm.tmp_asterisk. I don't know what those are. No, so it unzipped this, which I honestly don't know what it is. Or I guess file. Okay, I don't think I need this. We have the symbols complete. Now let me copy this somewhere I can use it. Somewhere where I can use it. Which I assume is local share fonts or something. Right? Let me get to a web page where I can actually check that. No, it's not wrong. It's wrong. This is wrong. Oh, right. Yeah, local share fonts. Oh, right. Now, so now we have the font. If I refresh Yazzie, is it gonna pick it up? No. I mean, I guess I get rid of all of them. Is it gonna pick it up now? No. Or I'm just doing something wrong. I guess I'm just doing something wrong. Anyway, like we have this. We have images. We have like a lot of icons, just not all of them. Oh well. I guess. Just files to create desktop shortcuts. Which file? Internationalization or what? The internationalization. Yeah. Oh. Huh. Interesting. It said like an internationalization. Why does it? What? Why though? Why? I mean, okay, whatever. Gosh, it's hot here. So right. Anyway, let's get back to the refactor. I should stop putting stuff off. And oh my god, I already streamed 1.2 gigs into the internet. Yeah, right. So with higher bitrate, it's taking a toll on my network. Really is. But I don't care. Or do I? Nah. So right. I wanted to. No, it's not a refactor. It's a rewrite. Yeah, the stream title is correct. Gosh, I miss caps lock as control. Ooh. Wait, this font. The font. I haven't used the JetBrains mono font before. This is the ligature version, I think. So we do this. Yes, I wanna see. I wanna see how it feels. So right, let's create a struct now. Struct arena. For now, it's gonna be called arena, or I guess not arena module. For now. That's for now. All symbols are here. Now, public type, just gonna be vec of type are stored here. So yeah, symbols are gone now, or are they? I don't know, honestly. Now, so type list. How do you properly do that? So this it's probably gonna be gone. So I need, well, obviously I need those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then an array. We don't need, so we don't need this. Size. With size being used, size, does this make sense? No, we created a new branch. I'm just gonna manually remove most of the files. So this is an illegal rewrite anyway. I'm not supposed to be a legal person. What am I saying? Forget. So, what do we do? How do I do this cleanly? I need. We need names. So every type should probably have a name optionally assigned to it. Alright. Or I guess I could do... I don't know where to put it. I guess fine, struct, public struct, type entry. So this has name option of 3. I mean, typeref. So I'm gonna name this typeref, which is gonna be somewhat weird. Oh, not what I expected to happen. Here, typeref. Oh well. Oops. Wait. This is confusing. The primitive types are gonna stay this way. And then we're gonna have symbol which is gonna be or U32, I guess. So yeah, I probably can see what I'm trying to do. So name optional. This is sketchy. This is very sketchy. Or I guess it just feels wrong. I guess it's so wrong because this name is gonna be either the field name or the name of the type, and you can't know which one. How do I do this? How do I do this? I mean, I guess there is no way of doing it well. We'll have primitive types. We'll have a struct. I don't know if I want to put it in here or in a different enum. I guess in a different enum. Now it's too many enums. And so we'll have primitive, which is gonna be type ref, or I guess alias. alias. Then a struct, which is gonna have a count. Then this feels off. Or do I just put names in here? So alias name optional string. So how do you call a type? What do you call a type value? So like a type alias is left side equals right side. Left side is the alias, the name, and right side is the type. I can't just say type here. I mean, I guess it works. ls2. Well, I mean, I guess type works somewhat. So then we have a struct. So possibly a struct field which is gonna have exactly the same layout. I might as well move this around. So field. I guess. I mean, I don't really like this idea, to be honest. Then we have struct, which is gonna just have count and name again. No. Resources YouTube. The best resource is YouTube. Another one is another good one is crafting interpreters. But yeah, mostly YouTube. YouTube, and I guess doing it when you try do the stuff, you can probably like I tried using Crane Lift, then I found out many things about how compilers work, or how backends work. I guess I also read a book, but it's like not significant, and it's also in Russian, so I can't really recommend it. But yeah, Crafting Interpreters is a good book. Matt Godbolt, one good YouTuber, but he's going on a very specific topics. A whole bunch of other YouTubers just search on YouTube whatever you want, how to make programming language, how to make a compiler, how a compiler works or something. Really anything works, or at least it's used to. I don't have a job. I don't have a job. I just stream sometimes. I do also make YouTube videos occasionally, but I have not. I mean, to be fair, technically I have earned like what? I actually haven't seen the analytics for a while. Earnings. I have earned like what? $30 from streaming? Do I afford what? $2.25? So like from streaming over 2 years, over the course of 2 years, I earned $35.67. And that's like, wait, the spendable balance. This. So yeah, that's what I earned for 2 years, and the threshold is $100, so it's gonna take a while. I can't. That's the thing. I cannot get a payout. Can I hack somewhat? If I know the source code, then yeah, I can do a lot. But if I don't, then I mean, not really. I can reverse engineer, but again, I need some sort of binary. I'm not good at blindfolded. So yeah, Another problem is we don't have Swift in my country, so I cannot actually check out, like, technically at all. I don't know, maybe there's a way around, but I don't really have to worry about that. Soon I'm gonna go to university, and I might even find a job there. And even if I won't, I'm gonna get money for studying for some reason. That's how it works, apparently. So I don't like this. I really don't like this. So I guess, what am I gonna do? Do I keep the recursive, like, in I mean, like, we have primitives, right? And then let's have pub in like, I guess a symbol. True reference and index. Why don't I play? I'm not a kid anymore. I mean, I do play games. I actually, like, in the past, like, 2 years, I started to play Minecraft a lot. Also, by the way, $35 is a lot, actually. Like, you can buy what? In my country, you can probably buy a sandwich for like $2. Yeah, you can buy a sandwich for like $2, which means I can buy actually 15 sandwiches, and even have some to spare, if I could use this money on anything but Twitch. Yeah, so Below 25 is kid. Holy! I mean, I'd love to be a kid still. Sure. If by your definition I'm a kid, sure. 15 sandwiches and then exactly. I mean, probably more than that. But still. I already bragged a lot about how cheap stuff here is. Which, I mean, yeah, it balances out by the salary, I guess. Or what you call it. Yeah, I guess. So, a compound type. Type ref can be a primitive or a symbol. So those are 16 bits. This one is 32 bits. I mean, you're gonna carry around 32 bits anyway, right? What's a symbol? Nigel. A symbol has been in Orco codebase for a while, but now it's the concept of symbol is done and is getting removed. And in this case, a symbol is just a reference. Well, I mean, I guess I could also do ref. No, like ref for a type, a reference is a reference, not anything else really. So type. Ooh, I mean, no, it's not a pointer. It's what pointer would have a 32-bit value attached to it? It's an index into list of types. No, it's not a type variable. It's an index into a list of types, which I am struggling to make this work because, like, I want to balance out the amount of memory you would use and the performance, but I am struggling. Because, like, if for every single reference, if you're gonna have to add a type to the list of types, to the arena, then, like, dude, this is horrible. But then at the same time, if you're gonna store types as I used to, then, like, still not great. not particularly great. I mean, I could really keep the old system. I guess it's fine. So like, old system used to have it as a symbol. Well, yeah, I guess that's what it comes from. So, but here symbol is really a type alias. A type alias and generics as well, because type aliases can have generics. This is where you get generics from, really. No, we have a param. We have a type param, which is technically also a type variable. Like, the difference is params are unknown, so this is a reference of a variable, and this is a reference of a global variable. Yeah, so basically a symbol is a global type variable, whereas a parameter is a local type variable, which could be a generic type, or it could also be an inferred type variable, which is like not currently really the case, but at the same time I'm rewriting anyway. So yeah, we do have a lot of types here. Function pointer, 2 pointers here. 2 whole pointers. Yes, that's expensive. I mean, I could strip out one. In theory. I don't know if I should be thinking about performance here, really. Like, before the stream, I thought it all through to make sure it's gonna be easy to implement. And there I am again. And there I am again. So you probably want to carry most primitive types with you. I mean, I guess heap is not that bad after all. Oh, by the way, symbol is also 2 pointers. Ew. I mean, ideally this would be a struct with a, what is it, a tail slice, what do you call it? So like, apparently you can do so in this case symbol, and then so this would be what name, and then generic would be a slice of type. So this, like, you can do this. This is dynamically sized type which can exist in Rust. As you can see, this there are no errors here, except for the symbol being unknown imported. But yeah. So that would be the ideal case, but that's difficult to construct and difficult to use, and I don't know if it's worth it. So maybe I don't. I mean, like, a lot of heap stuff, not like that. I really don't like anything here. Booyah. Another one. So, right. Anyway. I really don't know what to do with this. I really struggled. Apparently. Why can't I... Alright, I have caps lock. Of course I do. We bought a... I could roll back to the original one. And I have no idea what it is. Actually, no, it has been mentioned before. So you have what dependent types in there. Yeah, this is now hash map. This is now a symbol. This is now an issue because in turning one type aliases to underscore to int underscore to string. I mean, really, you can't check type equality when you have generics. You actually can't, and that's annoying. I guess no sane language would do that anyway. The thing that would violate the issues, or not issues, violate the simple approach of checking. So like if two generics if a generic type matches another type, just checking that generics match would be simple. But then on the other hand, if you have one type which is a generic struct, or types, I don't know what is an ADT, abstract data type, like, or algebraic data type. Nah. I mean, like, nah. So like, on one hand, you can check if. So you can say two types are identical if they are generic. If they are generic, you just check if generics match and if the name matches, or like skip aliases. On the other hand, you may have a case where you have a struct on the right side and a generic struct on the left side, and once you substitute in the generics, they might match. But like the right struct is obviously not a generic type and the left struct is a generic type. And how can you say whether those are identical or not? You can't really. And like not supporting this would be somewhat annoying. But I guess fair. So then I can say if a type is in the system, then, or I guess if a type is defined. So I mean, we still want aliases, right? We want aliases to collapse down to like the last level. Which is somewhat annoying and difficult, because if you have type, even if you do like this in Rust, result of t equals result of t and error, and e, like some e struct. I mean, I should probably call it error. And then you are trying to check whether result of i32 matches result of i32 error. Like, you are supposed to inline this type alias. So that makes things difficult. But then if you want to inline struct, then you need to do a lot of copying, or it's just annoying. I mean, in all cases, it's just annoying. It is just annoying. If you do this, and do this, like, this is a struct, right? This is technically a struct, or I mean a tuple. It's fair to say that it must be inlined here. So yeah, there's really no running away from this. And I really don't know how to do something. I really don't know what to do with it. Unless I say just the type aliases are not traversable, so you cannot say this is true because this is a type alias. Which in this case, if you declare, for example, a type, I don't know, pact of t equals I32, and then pact of a tuple of 2 t's is, wait, no, and pact of result of t is I64. Why not? I mean, this is very out of nowhere. So you declare a second type alias. Hi Kuko. Eking. I like this emote. So if you do this is a specialization, then you are not gonna be able to say pact of I32. I mean, you are, but you're gonna get this instead of this. Because the result of t is actually not like a type alias. No, you haven't. It's gonna be back. This is the last Gentoo stream. For a while, probably. It's gonna be back after the Gentoo streams, which I guess if I stream tomorrow, hopefully. Or I mean, I could pull it up on Gentoo. It's not that hard. I just need to install Godot. And another reason why I don't want to do this, yeah. So I left a little too little space for Gentoo, and I mean, Gentoo is holding up very well for Aether. So Gentoo is holding up very well for 20 gigs I gave it. I mean, to be honest, base installation was 10 gigs though, so that's a lot. But other than that, it's really holding up pretty well. So right. Can anybody say whether this pattern is like useful somewhere? I mean, okay, let's say vec2 is this, then I mean, you're gonna, I mean, like, so for regular type aliases, so u size, and just imagine that is u64, and then pact of u size equals, I don't know, u8, and regular pact of t equals u16. Why not? And then if you do pact of u size, it's gonna be equal to pact of u size. So where do we draw the line? Where do we draw the line? At start I know. You actually sent it like 30 seconds late. Just getting the microphone in position. So what do I do with this? Like, this isn't really solvable. Is it really that loud? Oh, it is. Oh. I mean, I could make it a little quieter. Now it's just really quiet. Yeah. Yeah, the song is quieter, so I made it louder. Back louder. So, and the last song was loud, apparently. So what are we thinking? I don't want to inline aliases. Like, I want aliases to stick being aliases. To keep being aliases. But then, like, it's just so... It's just so difficult. Because you need to substitute types. You're gonna be forced to. You cannot say that two types are identical now. And too much types, it's gonna be a lot of work. Which is something I really wanna avoid. Unless I just say no to specializations, but I don't want to. I want them to be fully featured. And for that, you have to be able to match types. But like, this really... That's really, like the fact that this is different from the impact of U64. I don't know. I don't like that. But then if we have a vec2, which is a top, vec2 of t. I mean, doesn't really have to be of t. Like, so in this case, I don't actually care. In this case, I do accept it being a label. So if it's a struct, it's a non-primitive type. I guess. But then still, that's still annoying, because you can have, so vec2 of t is t, and then vec2 of vec2f is vec2 of f32. So you want it to be inlined. And even if you go even further, tn const n, which I honestly don't really know. Oh, const n use size. There. If you go even further, like, this is just an example. So this is a vector. This is your vector. Then this is your vector. Then vec2 is gonna be vec of p2. And then, wait, come on. and then vec2 f is vec2 over 32. So this is your I don't have you size. So this is your types. I can say that vec2 f is vec2 over 32. I can say that vec2 of t is vec2 of t and 2. So whenever I want to inline vec2 f, I'm gonna have to say that this is a vec2 of f32. So this is gonna be one generic. Then I'm gonna go here, match the type parameter, which sounds expensive, and substitute it in here, which I just realized it's now a Rust vec type. So a vec of 32 too. And that's where I stop. Or do I? Because this is an array, and an array is actually an array is actually okay to an array is actually okay to inline. Like, I guess, yeah, it's not that much, but then it's still annoying. And at the end you can inline structs as well, why not? And yeah, so I don't know how to fix this issue. This is a big issue. Or maybe it's not as big as I think it is. Like, I can define a concrete rule set for this system to be easy to implement and work. Because, like, I do want, so if this type LS, 100% I want it to be substitutable. And this type LS, I guess, sure as well. Not as much, but still. And obviously the usizer. The usize one, like it should be supposed to be. I guess like in Rust you have different way of doing it. Type LSs are always substituted and structs aren't. That's why you have tuple structs. The only thing left is to do struct as equals. The only thing left is to add this syntax, which is basically this, but the zero field you just skip it. I mean, actually no, it's pretty much this. So I have no idea how to do this. Like, you have to inline them if you want to check whether they match. And yeah, that's the problem. I want to check whether they match. Whether something on the right matches a pattern on the left, and if it does, I also want to extract the generic parameters it gives me. Which is annoying. Because I pretty much have to inline the type on the left. Because this is how specializations work. So those make the compiler slower. I mean, I guess let's just keep it. We really have no choice but to do that. And then conversion to C, we just hope and dream that it's not gonna become a problem. I mean, generally, tuples and other structs with unnamed fields are gonna be are gonna be replaceable. But like generally, I don't want to guess. Oh, why are we lagging? Am I building something? No, I'm not. not supposed to be stuck on that. I am not supposed to be stuck on that. No. Like, my idea was to... I don't wanna... Like, I want to keep type aliases be type aliases, you know? I want to keep the source level, but then I don't know. But then I again drop some part of it because I have to. Just hold here. Surprising that microphone doesn't pick up the music. So I don't know. I have tried so hard to figure this issue ahead of time, and I still stumble into it. That really has been the issue with the last iteration. The biggest one, which is like where I got stuck last time as well, obviously. I mean, it's not that hard to implement, it's just annoying. It's just very annoying and feels very unnecessary. I need a timer for how much. It's not that hard to not say this word, right? 5 minutes. Because yeah, I enabled sound on Twitch. So like my activity feed can now play sounds. And there's a volume slider for that. Just too hard. Okay, let's start the timer. 5 minutes timer. You really think I'm gonna have issues with not saying this word? It's pretty much... What's my favorite make alternative? No, I don't use this alternative. In fact, I have never used this one. And my favorite make alternative is Nix. So... yeah, I haven't. I mean, actually I have ran it before to build Cosmic, but that's about it. Oh, you mean bash script? Yeah, exactly. I like how now I like how now I check every single word I'm trying to say before I say it, to try to catch myself in case something goes wrong. But I also do have an intuition of where that word might be used to like alert me ahead of time. Yeah, right. So what do we do? How are we gonna do this? Also, you can replace it by pretty much. So it's pretty much impossible to avoid the issue. Alright, so my idea was to have a vector of types, intern stuff in there, or something like that, and then use reference as means of, I mean, yeah, just, I said it, just intern it. Reset, restart. Okay, attempt number 2. So this word is sneaky, but I feel like it's not used that much. Although apparently I say it a lot. So right, I guess that means that I am trying to make everything simpler. So I say it's so simple. Great question. I mean, why wouldn't it? It is. Oh wait, how do you do this? Wait, I don't remember. There's like pipes, list, pipe. Oh, the get 0, set 1, 1. I don't know. I'm more comfortable in this language. I'm cool, thank you. So, anyway, I can avoid the issue. I don't think there is a simple way. I actually don't know. It turned off. Oh, I said it. Oh. Okay, you got me, sure. Why is resetting the timer so hard? Reset. I don't even have to do anything. I simply say it alone. Especially when I simply turn off my brain and then what do I substitute it for to make more variety? Anyway, what do we do? So like generics make it pretty much impossible. I mean, does matching have to be that complicated? Or I guess expensive operation? Like pattern matching. We all have implemented some sort of pattern matching, right? It shouldn't be that expensive, but it is. It is because of all of the lookups we have to do, and inlining and copying. So like if we have a generic struct, there is no way to inline, to check if it's equal to some other type without inlining it. And I guess I could do type map stuff, but still annoying. I don't know of a good solution. I'm like, at this point, I'm even looking for sacrifices. Because it's give me a substitute word. It's simply too annoying to implement, even in the backend. Supposed to do something right, and I don't know how to how to proceed without this. It's like all my focus is here on this one thing. Why did I think of specializations? Why? I mean, they are useful, sure. But you have to do pattern matching. And pattern matching... Why is pattern matching expensive again? In this case. Why is pattern matching expensive? Do you enjoy watching my rant? It's not even a rant. It's a mess. It's me simply suffering. Okay, I found a word I'm gonna substitute this for constantly. I mean, simply isn't the best alternative to that word that starts with J. But I guess I like to be expressive, somewhat at least, and to not repeat a word many times in a row. And when I have to note every time I replace one word by another, I realize how much I overuse it. Oh no, it's done. Now I can say just. That was a good one. Got me like what, 2 times? But I'm just tired. Jump scare. Yeah. You had to be jump scared. But yeah, Kuku was right. My favorite make alternative is Bar. In fact, Satan had a Bash build script written in Bar. It was like a prompt, a REPL. What else is this? What do you mean, Gentoo? Like I said, this is the last Gentoo stream. Or I guess the last planned one or something. I am keeping Gentoo because I want to experiment with it, but future streams are probably gonna be from NixOS. Again. I'm gonna be back. Cause like, I wanted to give Gentoo a chance. PyMCI, yay. I have installed Prism Launcher. I have installed it natively, in fact. Yeah, so let me flatpak user uninstall. So I wanna uninstall this. So yeah, I wanted to see how Minecraft is gonna play on it, because Minecraft ran well here when I played it. I also kind of want to compile JVM from source, which I don't know. Maybe I should try it. Emerge, just ask. JDK. Hello. I wanna see. You can compile from source, but yeah. So you use client, right, for MCCI. I need to add MCCI to this client. Oh, right. What happens? Am I not able to connect to? Oh, there we go. It was just connection reset, I guess. Okay, so yes, I want to build OpenJDK from source. What do we have here? Memory space constraints set in the ebuild were not meant. Build requirements not met. So what? I mean, I'd assume it's not memory. I guess it's space. Yeah, it's space. So let me rm slash var cmp portage. So those are unbuilt packages. Minecraft is already launching in the background. I hope it's fine to remove those packages, right? 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 Why does sudo rm-r take so long? So yeah, we have space now. So I can open, I can build OpenGDK from source. I don't know if I want to do this while playing. Probably not. CI play MCC Island net IP, and yeah, the Chuck Citadel is still down for some reason. I don't know. They're doing something. It's been 2 days or something. About 2 days. Yeah. So we're just putting up. Proceed the resource. Group frames FU. Oh, we're lagging. It's fine. It's gonna download the resource pack and we're gonna be fine, right? Right. Might need to change some settings. We're loading. We are just loading. It's gonna be fine. Hopefully. Okay, something's off. Come on. Oh my god, the music. Oh, let me duplicate music. I just wanna lower the music volume. Uh, 10%. I mean, 13%. Okay. So this. Yeah. So we are a little late. Why do I have this song? Why? It's not bad. I mean, I guess I could lower this to like 10. Yeah, it's gonna be fine, hopefully soon. Still lagging. But I guess. Yeah, so this is not running well. Not running as well as I thought. I mean, it's not terrible. This will load it. It could be better. Oh. Oh, this thing I hate. Okay. Yeah, this one I really hate. This specific parkour section. And actually, if you just jump from the... Whoa, this was loud. I guess 50% is valid. All MCCI SFX are loud apparently. Okay, so I think frame rate went back up. Oh, this one. I couldn't. Wait, I use this path. I could. What's the part? Okay, there we go. Right, I forgot this thing existed. Oh, no. Wait. Jump. Wait, early. This is like the combination of my most hateful of the things I hate the most. I mean, I just don't like moving stuff. I guess this one specifically is fine. I am just bad at moving stuff. Maybe if I stop saying that I'm bad at moving stuff, I'm gonna get good at it. No. Oh wait, right, this one. What am I doing? I'm supposed to do... I'm supposed to turn in the direction I'm flying, right? Oh, must stop that. I'm just... Look how slow I was turning the mouse. I'm just very slow at mouse movement. Ah, what's wrong with me? Ah. Come on. Oh, I fell. Why am I so bad at this one? This one is easy. Yeah, quick pull. I'm used to quick pull. Why am I so bad? Opening the FPS graph as if it was the reason. Dude, I'm just bad. I'm just bad at it. I'm moving my mouse too much. Which, to be honest, sensitivity is a little high. This is low though. The sensitivity is low though. There we go. Oh wait, I forgot what this was. This is like one of the newer ones. Right, you can just run there, I think. It's like the sprint jump is getting me way too far. I mean, I guess I could sprint over it. No, I can't, because I'm wrong. It's like you can really do that. Oh no, the middle section. Oh no, I'm just a mess. Look. Probably should try going middle. I'm just hard-coded to go left. So here you just go in the middle, and that's it. And it's easy. It's easy. I'm just bad. Alright, there's glass in the way. I'm too fast. This one I actually kinda liked. Quite like. Oh, this. It just I recognize every single one of because they're recycled mostly. Oh, no, maybe not every single one. Do you recognize this one? I am pretty sure I played this on stream. ITMG and wait, I don't recognize this one. I don't recognize this one by ITMG. Oh, right, you're supposed to turn. And go right. Somebody was saying you should always go left. I go always right or something. Actually, on that intersection it's much easier to turn. I mean, to not turn in fact, and to do this. Going like to cross the line. Oh. I mean, okay, now it's running well. I wanna see how much frames. Wait, I opened menu and it started running worse. Never mind. How do you do this quickly? Like that? Oh, more! Oh, you know I like this, right? I mean, actually, I did kinda cheat. Or not cheat, just ignore the timings and hope and pray. Sometimes that works, but I shouldn't do that. Because this rewards my brain and makes me worse. Let's receive him. This one is the medium. What? It just TP'd me. It just teleported me off. If you close Minecraft, maybe we'll get better. Okay, you redeemed Minecraft. You have to suffer through this with me. Why am I so bad at this? Why am I so bad at this? I mean, I guess this is a yellow challenge, but still. Yeah, you have to suffer through the frame rate. I'm just bad. I am just horrible at this. Like, why? It's not hard. Shouldn't be. Why am I over jumping? Why do I have too much momentum? I'm not supposed to have too much momentum. I'm supposed to have just enough. I guess I'm supposed to go back and I think if I cage this thing, I'm not gonna get there. I don't know how to do it properly. No. Let's try another time. Let's try again, and let's and yeah, we'll see. We'll see if I stay. Dude, like this is somewhat annoying. It's one of those annoying ones. Skip it. Nah, I don't want. You're gonna have to suffer. You redeemed Minecraft. This is the first in the bonus pass. Like, dude. I guess I'm just bad at it. Okay, so you're. I mean, sure then. Sure then. Okay. Yeah. Why am I? Okay, I'm just bad. I'm just bad at Minecraft parkour today. Accept it. You can do this, can't you? Wait, not like that. Hold on. I just need to figure out the timing. This is not the timing. There it was. Okay, so I'll keep you suffering if you want. 15 stream streak. Still no chat messages, dude. Hey, what is the strand? I mean, good job. Sure. Like, I've seen you on another stream somewhere. Doing the same thing. Like, I mean, sure, it's interesting, I guess, but don't you, like, have a constant urge to chat or say something? I mean, I guess it's just not gonna happen at this point. It keeps a bit going. I hate this. I mean, it's not that hard to time, but still. Ooh. Yeah, no, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this one. Hard moving one, no. Oh, the medium is also moving one. Oh, I hate this. I know, but like skip is faster, I don't know. It's just I don't know, it's just fun. The quick skip. Oh, I hate this one. I hate everything that moves, you probably know that already. Wait, let me try left. No, the chains make it worse. I mean, I can do that. It's just so annoying. It's the pressure. It's not really hard, but it's the pressure that's killing me probably. And so I'm trying to rush it as much as possible. Wait, actually this is probably the best path. So that I messed up. I don't know if you can do this. Ooh, it's tight. Okay, anyway. It's also spaced like decently far apart. I mean, I guess that's what you're supposed to be doing. Except that I fall off. Maybe I try right again. It's the chains. How do you deal with the chains? Like actually. I guess I'm supposed to jump into them, and then it's gonna make stuff easier. Skip incoming. Skip no, skip is not incoming. Look, I'm not bad at it. Ah, so close. I need to look into multiple things at once. Not only timing, but also to not fall into somewhere. Ah. No, left is easier. No. Ah. No. Oh, come on. I mean, it's not that hard, it's just I'm bad at it. Or I'm constantly telling myself I'm bad at it, and then I fail on those chains. Because I need to again look into multiple things at once. Apparently I'm not designed to be... Oh. have too long of an attention span. No. Yep. I hate chains. I hate that they place chains here. I mean, I guess it's fair, but still, I hate this. Ah. Finally. 17, I mean, it's not bad. 22 minutes, 17 medals. One less medal and strip 17 minutes away from this, and I'm gonna get an advanced completion. Unfortunately, I have not gotten an advanced completion ever. Ever. Do I know Java programming? I do. And sorry if I haven't answered earlier, YouTube chat doesn't refresh. What is this thing? Advanced completion, finish with at least 16 medals in less than 5 minutes. Expert completion, finish with all medals in less than 5 minutes. Work. Oh right, I haven't changed the category. Probably should have. But oh well, this is done. Oh, Nigel have. Nigel has. Good job, Nigel. Now let's change it back to software. So how is Minecraft on Gen 2? How do you like it? Okay, now back to this. Back to the suffering. You know, maybe we'll end this. Where does the music go? Oh, it's there. So yeah, right. Okay, so let's bring back the symbol. Get rid of codegen. Attributes, I guess I can keep or call it. Wait, or call slash sphere codegen. Codegen can go. This codegen is gonna be gone. So, right. I mean, I guess I can keep this for reference for now. Subtract mode, you hash map from symbol to type and stuff like that. Not ideal, but not that bad either. So yeah, right, we need the async one. Papaya I think we used, and then we'll also need switch here. Clear clears. It's Clear Linux is not better. Clear Linux had the same performance, it's just you're unlucky. I mean, to be honest, Clear Linux did do well. Frames dead. No, frames aren't dead. Like, listen, Intel discarded it. If Intel didn't, I maybe have been using it for now. Because, like, I found out about Clear Linux after it got... destroyed the project after it got discontinued, unfortunately. And like the fact that it's stateless design is nice. I want to incorporate, I want to create a patch set that replicates stateless design, but like hard. So move Rust directories into local share where they're supposed to be, and I actually have an environment variable or multiple that do that. Not here, not on Gentoo, but on NixOS I do, and stuff like that. Basically. Okay, so functions. Hashmap was symbol to function. Right. So generics. Why? Why do I have to do this? But I have. Do I have to? Do I really have to? I mean, do I really have to do specializations? Maybe I shouldn't. Like, what is the practical application of that? Really nothing. Unless I figure out a way to do them differently. So we'll do struct or public struct title with generics. Do I do a wrapper or do I just create two structs? Do I make my one generic struct or do I create two regular structs? I guess two regulars are fine. Type declaration. Pub. It's generic are parameters. So this is gonna be what? Okay, oh, this is gonna be types for now at least. Or do I say type parameters? No, type parameter. I'm gonna call them generics, but yeah. So Devninia, you may critique me for this. For those two names being on the lines next to each other, but oh well. You're not here for that, unfortunately. Itself, and this way you don't have to. This way you don't have to worry about generics. Now inlining is gonna be just a ref with a map. Wait, no maps. Wait, no. I mean, it's still annoying. It's still annoying, but not nearly as much. And I hope the new design for backend or for CodeGen is gonna fix the issue. Type. Okay, let's add papaya to this. So here we have papaya. Let's go to backends IRs, which is gonna be obsolete now. Copy this from here. Right, I don't have the port. Never mind. So this is not gonna paste. Yeah. Oh well. Wait, no. IR cargo. Oracle cargo. Wait, no. Yes. So that's workspace. So now we use papaya, hash map. Now Oracle create is gonna be transpiled to many languages. Sorry for hitting the microphone. Have to do some. Yeah. So this code is better for PySafe. PyCompatible. Right. Wait, right, we're gonna be transpiling concurrent hash tables to see. That's gonna be fun. But oh well. So right, module. Types, functions, compilation, type declaration, function, do I do function definitions? I might not do function definitions like usual. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna look up struct function declaration. Where do we have signature and types, right? For instantiate mute self, yeah, so if this all stays, another cat, yep. So this stays, symbol array. Hello. Instantiation stays for because it's useful. Copy instantiate. Same. It's just a useful thing. Although I don't know if it's correct to name this copy instantiate or clone instantiate. Or instantiate copy. I mean the name stuck, I guess. Has params, yep. This stays the same, this stays the same. Why do we have a warning? What do you mean? Did I mess up with syntax somewhere up there? No. So why does it match none as not as a variant? Yeah, it's... OSP is crazy. This has happened before, like, really. And it's clearly, like, we match some as a variant, but we match none as a value, as a variable name. Like, what? Actually. If I run cargo clippy, I bet this is not gonna be an issue. So yeah, format generics, which are... slice of symbols? I think. So I guess symbol is back. Nothing could replace a symbol, apparently. So those are... Hopefully I'm not gonna have too much trouble with recursive types. Maybe I will replace it by an arena at some point. I don't know. So, right. Oh, from the generics, right? Generics here are gonna be vec of symbol now. Wait, no, here's vec of types. Wait, it's gonna be. That means I'm gonna need That means I'm gonna need format generic params and args. So those are just utility functions. So this one is, well, this one is generic params, parameters, and this one format generic arguments. Except this is going to be type. So this is going to be useful. Names or definition. City is gonna be completely rewritten. Okay, now this function signature. Function signature without a name. So function declaration needs generics. Function signature does it. I mean, I don't know. I guess it does. Type parameter or generics. So this like should be a declaration. Music is not loud, you can clearly hear me. Thank you for telling me that. I guess. Although music is kinda loud, to be honest. So I might just turn it down a bit. Only I had a little more control over it. I could actually turn on the volume stabilizer. That's a feature, right? No? No, that's not a thing anymore. What do you mean? Or has it never been a thing on desktop? That's interesting. There is a button on YouTube that makes the tab bar black. It's too low. No, I think it's fine. Like, this is, if anything, too loud. And why are we lagging? Dude. Is my graphic card just suffocating in hot air? Is that what happened? What's happening? Okay, so generics. Or do I say generic params? Oh no, I'll just say generic. Here. Function signature generics. Oops. Imperfect, but oh well. Pointer type display, which I am supposed to write fmt. Wait, we will do this. Fmt generic params, self generics. Add the ref here. Ah, there we go. Come on, take it. So there's that. Now function declarations. There is no need for this because we have function signature. Wait, no, we do need function deco. No. Okay, maybe I strip generics away from this. I don't know, honestly. I wonder if this makes some music quiet for. No, it doesn't. They have a button that mutes stuff. Oh, also, build OpenJDK from source. I wanted to try that. Clearly nothing's gonna go wrong. Checking for at least 4.2 gigs of space. Clearly stream is not gonna crash while I'm building Java in the background. I mean, right? Checking for space. Unpacking the source code. Wonder how long it's gonna take. I mean, it's gonna be fine, right? Okay, so yeah, I do need function deck or function definition. Function, we'll get the function. So we're gonna do that. Generics, do we need generics and function signature? Why do we even need function signature in the first place? We might just move it all in here. Because like we have type names here, and then I can okay. This is 7 whispers, 1,000, 5. Okay, I'm gonna off stream. Oh, barley bean. Actually, we can probably continue. I'm gonna try this off stream. Lag. Yeah. No more lag. No lag. Oh, no lag. I'm gonna lag off stream. Listen, you don't have to suffer through lags with me. For once, I'm gonna be merciful. Or, I mean, it's not. Doesn't really feel like the right word here. So, function. You know what? I'm gonna strip this away. Like, you don't need a constructor for that, do you? And then I'm just gonna input function. We'll create function. Wait. You know, the create is not supposed to be capital C. Which, by the way, I'm gonna move this here. Now, info doesn't have to have. Well, shouldn't have a document. Why does Rust FMT not FMT? Then display for function. I mean, I could probably display function, right? So have the generic param formatting, and I don't know if I need to do it here, or if I should do it here. This is not the type in here. Here I just put the instantiation and pointer code. And like types. So I guess this goes here. So yeah, since things are gonna be simpler, so for function, okay. Moving module up is probably a good idea. So we're gonna have module here, then type declaration, and then function. Which I wanna steal this and put. Wait, I did already. Copy debug default partial QQ partial word hash. Yep, sounds about right. By the way, I can derive default on this thing. This thing is defaultable, but does it make sense? No. So display for time declaration. or I guess type alias. Alias. So I'm just gonna write into F type name args equals type. Wait, I can't. I don't have a name. Well, screw that, I guess. Whatever. Types. Conflicting implementations of display. What do you mean? I deleted this one. And now we need display for module into std, which if I you can hash an entire module full of functions and IR. I mean, that would not be useful, but might as well if I can. Probably not gonna stay. At some point it's gonna break, but oh, it's already. Yeah, ord and hash are not here. Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, and partial ord. Oh. EQ is there now. So that's good. So right. Oops. Here we implement this. So for type in actually I can go to IR and copy this from there. So this, but simplified. So we go through all types. Name type, name alias, aliases. Then I just write type name equals ty name generics. So generics types ut generic params. Cannot mix those up now. Just on itself alias generics. I wonder how the references are doing. Then we have why do I have extra? Yeah, that's right. Alias type. Okay, so reference I did not do. Oh wait, this is messed up. It's supposed to be a symbol. Ideally, I'd also add types to those meta typing, and then add matching. Nah, not adding pattern matching to that. Although type. I mean, to be honest, probably could. I could probably do the type here. Anyway. So that's for types. This. Break it up. The rest of MT is not new. Now new line for each function. We don't have bodies separately. Although I really need a vec. I really need a VEC. And actually, each function can probably have its own VEC body. For now, I keep that. I guess I gotta optimize the layout later. So right, anyway, we do others, do funk, funk. Get rid of this. Attributes name generics. With attributes name function itself. Does this thing format attributes? No, it doesn't. I mean, I guess that's designed for me. Also, just to be consistent. I guess that's fair. Now bodies, we don't have bodies yet. For some reason format doesn't work, but oh well. This should build, right? It does build. Now, so this is the new Orko IR. This is, by the way, this README with watertime breach is the Orko docs. So like actually on docs.rs page, which actually exists, docs.rs/Orko. 302 hours. I mean, that's fraction of what I spent on it, probably. That's like a tiny fraction. With the tiny fractions as a solo, which I don't quite remember it, but I think it was good. I think I really like it actually. Probably wasn't like one of my all-time favorites, which apparently there are a bit many. Yeah, I like music. So, right, this is the new Orko. Right, what did the developers, what developer put a prayer in their instead of their license? Which developer? Guys, which developer put a prayer instead of license text? I swear it's not Terry Davis. This is in there. So it's like a thing maintained. SQLite, exactly. I googled it. So in SQLite, Richard Heap put a blessing and a prayer instead of traditional license text. May you do good and not evil. May you find forgiveness for yourself and forgive others. May you share freely, never taking more than you give. So yeah, I'm not gonna put useless comments at the top of my. I mean, course are not useless, but I already have 2 license files. Like, I don't know if I guess I'm keeping MIT and Apache because that's what Rust ecosystem uses. And why not conform to Rust ecosystem? So yeah, may use a new version of our code, not have issues that kill me inside. Anyway, so let's go to Rust C, I guess, and rewrite this entire thing again. Extraction, code gen, context, oof. So, we need the module. We need an immutable reference to the module because it's designed to be shareable. I'm gonna think about streaming stuff, as in streaming the code. It's sad you're not smart enough for coding. Slow and cool. I mean, that's a difficult question. I'd still advise you try again, because this is Rust, this programming language on the screen. On the screen, I have tried it. I went away and then I came back, and so is, and this is the case for like many things in my life where I try it, I can't, or I give up or something, and then like a year later, a few months later, I try again. Might take multiple attempts, but it's like, for programming in general, I guess it's just tough. You should try again. Maybe try with something that, I mean, if you're too slow, maybe try something that's gonna bring you. I mean, that's such a simple advice. Try something that's gonna, first of all, keep you motivated and make you happy when you like do it. So I guess for me a good example would be game development, because like it's fun. Yeah, so exactly, do something fun, and make it easy. Scratch is also a programming language. You can do a lot, and repeating tutorials is not a bad way of learning, although you can get stuck in tutorial and I have no idea how to escape from there. I haven't had this issue, although it kind of felt like it. Like sometimes you just need to repeat something many times before it starts working. But it's, again, sometimes it's not the case and you need to change something to work. But yeah, try again. Try more. Find something fun and simple, ideally, if you wanna start. Programming is like that thing that when you understand, or I guess it's not like understand, when you build your intuition for programming in general, it's then gonna be much easier to learn new things. Rust has been intimidating because it's concepts I have never ever used, never ever thought about, and could not understand it for first try. Same for general programming. So right. Let's figure out what I'm gonna. I mean, you're welcome. I'm trying my best. So, Rusty backend, that's gonna stay the same. Type conversion, that's pretty much staying. Ooh. I mean, generics, generic arguments, generic parameters. Generic parameters are different. Why are those two separate functions? Oh, because they're generic are. Okay. Duck. Record kind gak. JK. To do. So there is that. Then there is convert generic args. What was this? What was I? What am I? What kind of thing am I? So maybe I should split it as well, by the way. I don't know. I'm gonna think about constants. I might even do the 2 attempts. So cause sometimes like trying is best. Although when I end up trying out all possible approaches and none of them work is somewhat annoying. So Covino is live. Covino is live. Woohoo! Click here to tune in. There's a notification again. So right, this thing is gonna be different. So convert generic params. It's gonna return the vectors. Lies! It's not lies! It's a notification that's popped up. What? But the notification. I mean, I don't know his schedule. But the notification popped up. Okay, had to check. Nigel. No! He is live! And he's first. 7 returns first. I mean, a second, but. Oh, wait, is it broken? Oh, it's broken. Oh, it's broken. Covino, it is broken. First is broken. Okay, I don't want to run the stream with. What did they just? Did they do this thing? That's a VOD. What? What do you mean it's a VOD? I redeemed it. What do you mean it's a VOD? Anyway, generic params, type push which by the way I could probably reserve. But I don't know. So param, generic params types push param, name a string into. That's it. No type wrappers. That's that's simple. Now we'll do something. Name conversion is totally fair. What is this? Is this an estimate of how long it's gonna take? Whatever, I guess. Or like how big the name would be. That's funny. Pattern name, yeah. So name extraction. Then symbol declaration routines. Yeah, also this part, this function was fine, but this part I'm gonna get to rewrite. I'm gonna have to rewrite. So context. Do I need the context? I like this music, by the way. I like this music playlist, or I guess the video, the 3-hour one. No copyright lo-fi music 2022, lo-fi hip hop mix and chill hop, chill lo-fi music to study relax to number 14. So this has been different from what I usually have in the background. and kind of refreshing. Anyway, so CodeGen. Nuke the CodeGen. Intrinsics. Ooh. Nuke the. Nuke the 2. Nuke everything. I mean. So by the way, I am planning to use a stack machine now, or a stack form of IR, because this is gonna be faster, easier to store, and it makes sense for the use case. I also thought about reverse stack. So like, first you would have a function, then its parameters, and each parameter can be a function and its parameters, or like another operation. But on assembly side, it makes more sense to be the regular stack based. Although I should probably think about some issues with this approach. Or I guess I'm just gonna set up the rules so that those issues do not appear. Okay, so anyway. So context, backend doesn't exist. Copy for context. Ooh. So context is really a rare. Do they own the global context? Or do I keep this as a rare? So the generic bound does it need to be there? I mean, I guess it would make more sense if I owned it, but I don't know. I guess I'm gonna keep it ref. Yeah. So instead of backend or the mode, wait, I can derive. I can actually derive this. Noob, thank you for the raid. Hello. Hi, Stony. Noob was raid. So yeah, rewriting the thing to use IR. Of course, that's what I'm doing right now. So is the music too loud again? I mean, I guess it is somewhat. So how was your stream? I noticed you going live when I was preparing to go live. It's like our stream schedules are synchronized. Pretty much. Again. Belarusian. Hey noob. Actually, I mean, I guess that makes sense. Hey noob. So similar to this. Thank you for correcting me. Similar pronunciation. Like 4 things at the same time. Oh, I wish I could be. I mean, to be honest, parallelizing. Dutch cheese all for entertainment. Between X or H and H. I mean, I know Belarusian G, which is H, which is between G and H, although not quite. Actually, no, it is. It's like G, but you don't make the contact. Yeah, the air keeps coming out of your mouth, and like the sound. So yeah, Actually, fair enough. So hey noob, something like that. Let's go in here. Well, it's as you can probably see, I was typing out translate Google.com. By the title, we are rewriting everything. So what is Dutch?
Geënhoop.
I don't feel like this is the right pronunciation.
Geënhoop.
Or do I have the space here?
Genoop. Genoop.
No, it's still G. So, hey noob, I guess. Yeah, this is weird. I would agree that English doesn't. Dutch pronounce it is Dutch. Anyways, yeah, right. So, I should probably tune into your stream at some point. And it's funny how yesterday took a day off. I did. But yeah. So, kind of finished rewriting, redoing, making the IR outline here. Basically copying the previous tracks and making him persistent. Clears. Zero things at the same time. Oops. Hit the microphone. Yeah, we did play Minecraft, right? We did play Minecraft though. And what did I also do? Tried to compile Java from source. Fixed OBS, by the way. This is a stream from Gentoo. A proper stream from Gentoo with hardware acceleration. Like, wow. It's been actually pretty easy to install Gentoo. So, right. Streamer had the wise idea to add another CPU architecture support to No Mercy Live. On stream YOLO style. By the way, Stony, every time you start a stream and I am in my Twitch dashboard, the text is massive. It's like everyone gets a notification here. Like somebody is live every time you're on Twitch or in Twitch dashboard. So like Twitch website sends you a notification. And your text is just huge all the time. How? How did you do that? That's on purpose. Wait, does it like not escape live notification? Markdown? I mean, I would expect HTML, but Markdown? What? So yeah, as a result I can only read like first what, 4 letters? Still, that's funny. So yeah, apparently Markdown is supported by Twitch. Why? This is so weird. It gets your yeah, it got my attention multiple times. That's why I'm asking it. Anyway, so time to integrate it into Rust C. And I am again pressing caps lock in hopes it would turn into control, because that's what I had bound on my NixOS. Right, so context, gonna have the references, gonna be copy, clone and copy. Then shorthand for calling names, convert path. Shorthand for calling, which I guess I should add inline always, or hint. Is there a hint? Oh, always, yeah. I mean, I don't really need to. So convert generic params. Oh, this is gonna be Orco symbol instead. That's different now. Is this how you do inline always? Always never. Oh wait, I swear there was a hint version. Like inline always, inline never, inline hint. I guess. So declare. Right. Text module. Orco module. Nuke that. Nuke that. Items. I guess context would. Actually, no context here. Backend. Including and echo module. Or do I need it? Wait. Like that module. Module. Do I really need this? So those are both references. Just construct the context. Declare stuff. For trait items, I just declare them with self-generic parameter, which I am gonna need to fix because this is not quite gonna work anymore. Which, oh yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Right, so I'm gonna need to figure out something for that instead of specializations. Maybe something dispatch, some macro. We'll see. For now, I guess I'll just comment this out. Now, impl items. We go through impl items and just functions. Okay. We construct the context. I mean, the context should probably be. We'll see. See you. Thank you for the read again. So with that. So declare and then print module equals orco module new, which by the way default forgot about traits on this and stuff. Module pub menu self-explanatory allow missing dot. Obviously it doesn't work for some reason. Now cargo tomo for C. I'm gonna comment this out. IR is gonna go because Orco IR is now in the Orco crate. And right, the most important part, Orco Rust C symbols. So it should be pretty straightforward actually. Be pretty easy. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Rid of that. Right, so cargo FMT, Clash of Code. Ooh, hold on. Rust up component add Rust FMT. That's why it doesn't format. Oh, that explains everything. Because it was a minimal installation. Right, so Clash of Code. Oh god, why are my eyes like closing as if I want to sleep? I guess there's no oxygen anymore. Clash of Code. Coding game. Is this going? Wait, login. Let me log in. Did I use my Google account here? I don't remember. Or what? Yeah, I guess. You're ranked first, you're ranked second, first, third, second. That's all my latest clashes of code. Oops. Oh, where's the report? It was. but. Where was it? This one, I guess. Look. Still proud of this. Any language is shortest. So. Coming. Puzzles on your own, focus on a featured puzzle. Clash of Code review, daily dose of fun. What is this? Bash code. I beat Badcook to Bash. But yeah, I should probably up my Bash game. Like really. Should get better Bash weight, just not multi Clash of Code. Wait, how do I start a private clash? Languages. Is there a button to select all? Any languages minus Python? Damn it. Is there a button to select all of them? Why is there no button to select all languages? Python disabled. Do we keep Python 2 on the board? Or it's not there? No, stop. What? What's wrong? Unselect everything. No. If you want all languages minus Python, I cannot unselect anything. So, 2,000 languages. No. So it's still any languages minus Python and shortest. So the plus. Okay, let's start. If you want, we can do another one later. We want to change something. So I'm gonna drop a link and I'm gonna run get some water. So I'll be right back. I am back, and let me also send the link in the YouTube chat because I didn't. You can still join, but yeah, I guess we're just gonna be there too. So let's start. I have started this. Yeah. Okay. Let's launch. Shortest is one of my favorites. I wish there was shortest plus reverse. I wish. Okay. Ben's very broke, he cannot afford the rent, so he's going to get job in this month so he won't be evicted. What does evicted mean? The job is going to get space p per hour. Oh, the boring problem. Okay. Oh, evicted is like when you get thrown out of rent. 15 minutes. Space per hour. P per hour. Works are h hours. Works h hours what? A month? Okay, so here. What would be shortest? Bash. Probably some Lisp. Let's scroll through some of those. Let's see what's gonna be shortest. Or what I could make shorter. Yes, no. Well, I guess Lua is my best bet. Lua or JS. Probably Lua. Yeah, I know. Then Clash of Code. Yeah, this is too long. TypeScript. VB. Okay, no. Okay, let's go with Lua. So right, the problem itself. So let's see shortest. I can do this. I can do. Wait, can I do? Sure. Do this. Now, if clovers were there, probably would be nicer. So I cannot in view lines. More parentheses. I don't know. They're here. Ask them. Ask them why. Hell broke boundaries. He does not want to become homo. Yes, no, barely. Okay. So what we need is pH minus R. Okay, so you just do this. I just do this, and then I guess I'm gonna try. I have the mouse here. It is there. You don't know about it, but I have it here. So if x below 0, no, or x above 0 and or I think that's the best I can do. Or wait, can I get rid of parentheses? Nah. Let's Lua syntax though. Does work. Can I make it shorter? I mean, not on stream, obviously. I don't think I can make this shorter. I mean, unless I can Probably not gonna work. Yeah, not gonna work. I mean, might just try. Why is it angry? Discard it. Okay. Oh, oops. What did I just press? I just pressed shift and something to open DevTools apparently. Okay, so I guess this is the shortest I can do. Rarely. What happens? You really twitch. Yeah, sure. Pending results. I mean, I did take it slow. Okay, so people who do that usually don't. People who usually do that aren't here right now, so you're just unlucky. At time. So yeah, 87 bytes. Can I do shorter? I mean, functional languages. Bro. I wanna see you talk in English for like what, 4 hours at this point, and no, ignore the stream duration. No, 3 hours and 14 minutes because the stream restarted at the start. I wanna see you talk for 4 hours in English in a hot room. Cursor. Oh right, the thing doesn't work. Well, oh, there we go. Lua, you did it less than JavaScript, so you did JavaScript. Read line, what? R times 1 minus R. What? Wait. Two times 3. Bro, why? JavaScript, why? You didn't. Yeah, you. I was also questioning why do you have multiply by 1 after multiplication? Yeah, basically that's Clash of Code. Clash of Code is a game where you get a small problem and 15 minutes to solve it. It's either shortest, you need to make the code as short as possible. Fastest, you need to do it as fast as possible, or reverse, you get data and no problem statements. What is... Oh, this is just eternally... Oh my god, this looks so weird. But yeah, okay, so... fine. You win. I mean, the fact that JavaScript has read line and... Right, multiplication. Is 0 not falsy? Oh, also that. I forgot about that. You could have just done or x here. I mean, 2 bytes. Still, this is much worse. Oh well, 2 out of so yeah. Let's quickly finish this. Convert type, no method won't convert type. What do you mean? Take this. I think it changes. Change the symbol. Only GT. What was that website? Oh, this website is gone? Or is this JS? Oh, there. If you're a genius, are you gonna be able to complete this without a single mistake? is, yeah. All right, the year. This is this. This is obviously. All right, that was parsed, right? This. None. It had actual marks with date. Got to be dating more often. To ISO string. Oh, this might be invalidate or it might be null. Oh, throws an. Of course it's to time string. Why not? Invalidate. Ah, right. One. One is interpreted as a year after 2000. Two is special, I think. I don't remember. Or is... Yeah, 2 is special. Months 2. 12. Oh, is this month 12 or is this a year 12? Month 12. 13. Right, so that's either this or this. Oh, invalidate. Right. Oh, this is false. No? Oh wait. Oh yeah, right, this was true. Now this is false. No? Oh right. Bro, I'm so broken. 12.1. Mine. Okay, I'm not completing it. Anyway. Let's do actual work. Something useful, perhaps. Another type takes type. Why is it twice angry? I don't get it. It's gonna be a bit longer. Fuck me, fuck me, fuck, whatever. Fun. This is thin line width. Whoa. No, doesn't count. I wasn't intending on. I deeply apologize. Type forward TY sig output and others. Method name convert generics. What do you mean? It exists. Oh, that's why. That's why. That's why all the problems arose. Oh, here it's function. Functions. Simple. Okay. Context of context, huh? Pattern function. Right, so I didn't finish, obviously. Insert name or function. So again, generics, params, return, right, and others, which I guess I could try passing like that. I don't know why, honestly, it's cloned. Okay, there we go. It should actually no, it shouldn't work. Because here we have context for some reason instead of module, which also means if this compiles that I can move context out itself. No, didn't send anything. So I do have to wrap it. Atomic eye size. So I do have to wrap the module. And then dref. What? No, that doesn't work like that. So like that. Copies this. Put this in here. Missing documentation for a function type service. In frontends, right? Yep. Wait, we had docs in here, huh? No, we didn't. What? Oh, right. Get a list of generic param names. Is that? No. It crashed. Sample, simple, right? Simple doesn't exist. Expressions, I don't know. Generics. Inline hint. An expressions test. Wait, what? Expressions. Samples. Oh, we do have inline hint. Apparently. Now, type generics s equals a struct of generics a. Generics a is a unit types. Generics sgen of t is this. Yeah, that much. And we have main. So look, new orc.yr. Very deep. By the way, if anyone has like a good line editor for bash that's not ble.sh, because ble.sh is slow, please tell me. Cause I kind of am thinking of switching to bash back, because it's like it's so fast. Look, boom, it's there. It's like reset, boom. It's immediate, and Xonsh is like slow. Although Xonsh is kind of worth it. So that is declarations. Oops. Also, I want to push this branch as well. How do I push this branch? Okay. So now I just need code gen. Wait, is this? Oh my god, the hash is connected to the branch. No, that is funny. Interesting. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be ending here because I'm kind of hungry and yeah. Would do more, but well, let's raid somebody instead. Where am I? Why is the Raid browser suggesting some random stuff? Special event Streamerversary. Ooh, the Ferrari has Streamerversary. Let's check for compiler then. Yeah, Nigel, come back please. I need your help. I need to trade somebody. Have I ever used TradeJ? What is this? Never heard of that. Or I don't know what you mean. Jiu-Jitsu VCS. Version control system? VCS. No, I have not. I haven't even used Subversion, which is SVN. Who? I don't know. Up to you. Yeah, I haven't. The Ferrari, yeah, so I haven't even used Subversion, and I actually should probably try SVN. But yeah, I have not used any VCS other than Git, and for Git I have used multiple clients, which include GitKraken, GitHub Desktop, LazyGit, and I guess I tried Fork once, but it didn't really do it for me. Currently I'm mostly using LazyGit and Git itself. I do kind of want to try Subversion, because like T2 is using Subversion. Google and Android use Subversion SVN. Like, I don't know. Why not try something something different? It's written in Rust. In Rust with Rust. But yeah, like the thing is, I use Git mostly pushing stuff to GitHub. If an alternative VCS, well, we don't have GitHub anymore, or do we? I mean, it says Git compatible, so maybe. Also, there is a Git rewrite in Rust. Jiu-Jitsu version control system. Git, we make an effort to be fast. Codeberg it is. Does Codeberg support like support like other VCSs or something? I have never used anything except for GitHub, and I think I have actually tried GitLab before, but I don't know. Are you gonna raid? Oh, you did say this before that you don't trust Codeberg. But yeah, I don't like. To be honest, I don't really care, cause like for my code, cause like I push it publicly, and like if my code is public, what do you mean by trusting? Trusting them to not mess up and delete everything? I mean, yeah, that's fair, but would that really happen? I mean, I guess it's possible, and you should be afraid of that for that reason, and you should pick something bigger for that reason, but still. Anyway, I'm gonna be ending here. Might try Jiu-Jitsu. But yeah, thank you all for joining. Next stream soon. I will see you guys next time. Bye.